Hello and welcome to another episode of Emilio's Garage. Today I'm here with my GX460 and GX is just coming up on 30,000 miles. We're just shy of 30,000 right now, and there's been a lot of talk in the community about the strong acidic nature of the Toyota long life coolant. And the pink stuff, basically this stuff right here, that it can cause a lot of corrosion and damage to the cooling system. So I thought, coming up on 30,000, probably later this week, I'm going to probably do all the fluids. It's going to get its oil changed and change the diff fluid and transfer case fluids, and I was also going to do the radiator first replacement. So I figured, what a great opportunity. Let's get a baseline and just see where we're at 30,000 miles. So I picked up this little test strip kit, got it online. I've seen other YouTubers out there using it, so got my own, and this is what it looks like. And I've already pulled out one of the little strips here, and it's pretty simple. We're going to just dunk it into the coolant, and then it says to basically wait 5 minutes and come back and check the results within 5 minutes. So there we go. It says to give it a little tap off any excess. All right. Here's give you guys a shot where we are right now, and we'll come back in 5 minutes and see what the results are. Okay, and just for the record, there's a shot of the mileage right there. Okay guys, it's been about 5 minutes here, checking the old watch, and we got our test results. So pretty simple. We're gonna see if we can get the camera to focus. Hopefully you guys can see this, but there you go. And here's my test results right here. I'm gonna see if we can get the camera again kind of to focus in, but it's not gonna work, I guess. Anyways, I think you can see the colors though, which is good. You should be able to make them out. There we go, something like that. Okay, so I'm going to try and hold this for you so we can get a look. And make sure this goes like this. See if we can do it this way, baby. All right. So, on the acidic level right here, it looks like we're about a 9. That would be my guess. I am a little bit colorblind, so I don't think we're quite as dark as that 8, but we're definitely not as dark as the 11. So we're about a 9 on the acidic level here, the pH corrosion level. So we're not in the replaced zone yet, which is great. I mean, at 30,000, I wouldn't expect it to be down in that region, but hard to say. And then this one, boy, we're not down here. We're not at 50. We're somewhere up here. I would say in the 60% box. Not quite at 100%, but you get the idea. We're in this region. So there you go, 30,000 miles. Nice little test kit here. I mean, I bought this with my own money. This is not a sponsored video. I just got this on Amazon. They are not cheap if you're thinking about getting one for yourself, but there are 100 test strips in here, and they are double-ended. The other end here is the brake fluid test. And I haven't dunked that one in there. Maybe we'll dunk that one in there and see what we got on the brake fluid too while we're here. Why don't we do that? But it really was the coolant I wanted to get a look at with all the chatter online. But regardless of what this test strip is showing me, this is where I want to be. I want to be up at this end, not down at this end. This would be very acidic coolant. You start eating through rubber seals and foam in place gaskets and RTV, whatever you want to call it. not good. These engines have been known to do that. So we want to make sure we stay up here in a healthy region. So I think we're going to be good. I'll check it again in another 30,000 miles after I do the replacement. I'll probably check it right after the replacement, and maybe we'll do another follow-up video. But there you go. How to check your corrosion acidity level in the coolant using a test strip. While we're here, for giggles, why don't we go ahead and check the brake fluid condition while we are here. Let's see what we got. Dump that in there, like so. Give it a little tap. And we'll set this aside, and let's do a time check real quick. All right, put that down. Here we are. Just dunked it in the brake fluid. Hopefully you can see it. And back in 5 minutes. Okay, guys, we're back. And dummy me, I should have probably, read the instructions. Brake fluid, it says 90 seconds. So it's been at least that. Here we go, just for confirmation. Anyways, it's perfect. You can't even see the difference here because you want it to be down here at 0%, which is great. Right there. We're not into even the 10% yet, so that's good. So brake fluid, that gets a pass. Excellent. Don't have to worry about doing a brake fluid replacement. I probably will at some point, maybe 50,000. We'll see. See what the test strips keep showing us, but I'll keep an eye on it, definitely. But right now, that's perfect. So there you have it. Handy little test, and give you an idea of what condition your fluids are in, and making sure that you're keeping them nice and fresh. So there you have it. Again, nice little test kit, kind of comes with everything. Nice little box, nothing too crazy. Got this and basic instructions, nothing too crazy. Not a sponsored video, like I said. I just bought this online, actually on Amazon, if you want to go look. They're not cheap, but there's 100 test strips in there, and for family and friends and whatnot, I'll be happy to test their brake fluid for them or their coolant if they want. But there you have it. All right. Well, hopefully you found that somewhat informative. If you did, leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. And yeah, we'll see you on the next one.